After moving to Northern Maryland, we've been blessed to meet some very friendly neighbors. These longhorn steer are as friendly as puppies, and she puts her head through to be petted. We also got to meet our wild turkey neighbor, as well as some chickens and roosters, and a mama pig comes up to greet us, followed by all her little piglets. It's really a pleasure to see the warm whimsy of these animals. Now, as the rooster tells us, it's time to begin. My name is Lisa, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, a special welcome. The next time you're in Dollar Tree, take a look at the beautiful selection of stickers. Many of them are inspired by the beauty of nature. Others have very lovely inspirational verses. These vibrant butterflies are another very saturated color combination that works really well on a variety of projects. Today, we're going to celebrate the whimsy as we choose this selection of little animals for a child's room. The elephant, giraffe, zebra, and lion are so cute, and I have a wonderful project to show you. In addition to the Dollar Tree stickers, I found these little wooden house-shaped designs at the Dollar General for $1 a piece. Dollar Tree has many similar wood blanks if you choose to buy them there. I also am going to use a variety of scrapbook paper sheets. I bought a big pad from Michael's with a 40% off coupon. But if you don't want to use scrapbook paper, you could use wrapping paper or simply paint your wooden shapes. Here I'm going to show you the easiest way to cut out the right shape to cover the front of these. Using that right angle that fits into the roof line is the easiest way to get your design to fit perfectly. You just then need to flip it over and then just draw your outline. That gives you a nice clean cut line. Then simply cut along that outline, and once you get your shape cut out, I used a glue stick that I purchased at the Dollar Tree. You can see now how that scrapbook paper fits perfectly into that shape. I also chose some pretty green patterned scrapbook paper and cut that out for this little house. Then I chose a third one to coordinate with our third animal sticker. Again, I just drew a little outline on the back of the paper to give me a nice cut line. This project is so easy, but offers such an opportunity to be creative because you can choose your scrapbook paper as well as your stickers, as well as your blanks. You're going to be very pleased to see how easy this is and also how charming the result is. Using a glue stick, just rub it on the back of your paper. It's nice because unlike hot glue, which sometimes can leave an uneven surface or even Mod Podge, this is a very easy, clean, simple way to adhere the paper to the wood. You can see how smoothly that adheres. Now, to eliminate that little bit of overhang, I'm using a sanding block, and you can see that gives you a very nice, clean, smooth edge. I find this works so well in a variety of projects, and you can see that I'm using a downward motion. You always want to use a downward motion so that you don't tear the top surface of your paper. This way, it gives you a very clean, sharp, crisp edge. Now that the polka dots is adhered, we'll do the same process with both the stripes as well as the green patterned paper. That process is so quick and easy. Now the fun part, just pair up your stickers with the background design. The little elephant with its big ears looks really cute, I thought, against that green patterned paper. So all you have to do is just easily remove the stickers. They are rather sheer, and a little bit of the pattern does show through, but I think that adds to the charm. So we're going to go ahead and just center it on there and smooth it out, and that's how easy it is. Then I added some of the little floral stickers that surrounded the elephant just to add a little bit more embellishment. And that's how easy it is. You can see I added another one at the top, and they stand up quite nicely, singly Or as a group of 3, they would look really charming on top of a dresser, but we're going to take it a step further. First, though, we'll add our next animal, and here I'm adding our charming little giraffe against that polka dot background. That one has a little blue rooftop, and it coordinates with that blue leaf. Again, those polka dots show through a little bit, but I think that just adds to it. Again, I'm just adding some of the little flowers around the design. And you see how cute they look together and how easily they do stand up. And for the third one, we'll add the zebra to the striped background. Now, as another option to display them, you can purchase for $1.25 a plain wood plank with the cord at the top from Dollar Tree. I'm using a piece of scrapbook paper to cover that. Again, though, you could simply paint it one of the coordinating or complementary colors. Again, I'm just using my pen to outline that cut line, and then I'll just go ahead and adhere it with more of the glue stick. It's so easy to just rub on the glue stick in the area where you're going to be adhering your paper. Although the glue looks messy when you apply it, the result is a very smooth surface. The paper was not long enough to cover the entire wood plank, so again, I'm going to go ahead and just outline the bottom portion and adhere it, matching up the stripes. So again, all you have to do is draw your outline, cut it out, and adhere it. By lining up those stripes, you barely see the seam line, and one of our little houses is going to cover that space anyway. The 3 little houses fit perfectly against that wood plank. What a fun opportunity this kind of design would be for alphabet letters or numbers or storybook illustrations. I decided to go ahead and embellish that twine using some wooden beads. These are also from Dollar Tree, and I'm just stringing 8 of them right along that twine. That twine was easily removed from the back, and we'll be able to reinsert it by just recreating the holes in the top of that scrapbook paper to line up. Now you can see it makes a more decorative hanging cord, and it's secure in the back. You could also add some clear tape over the back of those just to ensure that they don't pull through. But they're designed in a way that I think it's secure. Nonetheless, I would not hang anything of this weight anywhere near a crib or changing table or anywhere that it could pose a risk if it were to fall. So now I'm adding some hot glue to the back of each of these designs, and this will give us a nice secure hold against the wooden plank. You could also use some wood glue if you prefer. So here I am just adding the second one, and then we'll go ahead and attach the third, and then I'll show you some really cute display ideas. So here it is. How easily completed, and for just about $6, isn't this a delightful accent for a child's room, a nursery, or playroom? This is such a delightful project that I know will bring a smile wherever it's displayed. If you've enjoyed this project, I hope you'll give me a like and a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Also, please do consider subscribing if you haven't already. In my upcoming video, we're going to continue to work with Dollar Tree stickers, making more lovely decorative accent items for your home or to use as gifts. In the meantime, take care and God bless.